Let's talk now about the duties and responsibilities of the employer once there has been an on-the-job injury. The primary responsibility is to provide notice of the injury to the workers' compensation insurance carrier and to the North Carolina Industrial Commission. Of course, your employer cannot provide notice until they have actual notice. Most of the time, they'll get that notice from the employee. But once the claim is made, then there'll be an insurance adjuster assigned to the claim. And I want to talk about what the basic duties and responsibilities are of the insurance adjuster. The first is to open a file and to investigate the claim. The adjuster will request certain documents in order to make that investigation. These include any written notices of the injury, medical records, witness statements. Sometimes they will take a recorded statement from the injured worker. This is all part of the investigation because the first important decision that the adjuster will make is whether to accept or to deny a claim. That's why when we spoke earlier about the importance of documenting in detail the injury and documenting the injury in medical records, it's because it's very likely that an insurance adjuster is going to look at these documents when they make their decision. Now, the second responsibility of the adjuster is once the claim has been accepted is to pay benefits. And I want to talk more in detail about those benefits in just a minute. But the adjuster will be the one responsible for issuing the checks on time, will be responsible for authorizing medical treatment. And the adjuster is going to be the one who has to make those decisions through the course of your claim. The final responsibility of the adjuster is to settle the claim and close it. Adjusters are assigned many cases, many claims, sometimes up to 300. They don't want to leave a claim open indefinitely. They're interested in closing the case at the right time. And so I believe also that any injured worker who has a workers' compensation claim, at some point their case has to be resolved. The insurance adjuster may make the decision what the case settles for and ultimately how it is concluded. Let me make another point about the insurance adjuster. These are professionals, trained professionals who understand and have been taught the laws of workers' compensation in North Carolina. They understand what benefits are owed. A lot of them are very nice. But if there's one piece of information that you can take with you from this informational DVD, it's this. The insurance adjuster does not work for you. They do not work for the injured worker. They work for your employer and they work for the insurance company. Their interest is with the insurance company. And for this reason, they're not under any obligation to explain each and every benefit that you're entitled to. They're not obligated to pay for 1 cent more than they have to. In fact, adjusters are motivated to settle claims for less than what the claim is owed.